Today, we will make confetti cones for rose petals or any other type of confetti. Apply glue to the back side of a square paper, near the edge. Roll the paper into a cone, like this. Press the patch you applied glue to the paper below. Cut a small paper doily in half. Cut through the center of the doily. Apply glue to the back of the doily. Press the doily to the top of the paper cone. The cut in the center of the doily should help to make the doily fit perfectly. And finally, tie a paper ribbon around the top of the cone, making a nice bow on the side. Trim the remaining ribbon. You could use a bit of glue to secure the ribbon in place. You can use the same type of paper to make all cones, or select matching prints, such as paper sheets with botanical motifs.